So this is what we would have seen. You guys would have seen if it wasn't if it was in the daytime, and a lot more full of life. Fortunately, a lot of graffiti. However, this is the Sky River Walk in Moab, Utah, and it's just a little unique type of fun thing. Just kind of walking across the river, and I'll show you right up the road here is what I showed last night, and it's actually really nice and peaceful here. I haven't gone too far out yet, but just kind of cool to see what this is like. And I don't know. Like I said, it's really nice out here, so you definitely should come out to Moab, Utah. Signing out. With peace, love, and St. Jude. At least that's what our hotel said. But yeah, this will end the Sky River Walk, and peace out.